Hello kids, welcome back to Xoratales. Today we are learning about secondary colors. Secondary colors are made by mixing the primary colors. They are orange, green and purple. First is orange. Orange is made by mixing red plus yellow. Orange fruit. Orange carrot. Orange t-shirt. Orange pumpkin. Kids, let's find all the orange items. Which one is orange? Awesome! You got them all right. Next is green. Green is made by mixing blue plus yellow. Green leaf. Green frog. Green chili. Green turtle. Now let's find all the green items. Which one is green? Awesome! You got them all right. Now comes purple. Purple grapes. Purple balloon. Purple flower. Purple eggplant. Let's find all the purple items. Which one is purple? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap again. You learned all about secondary colors orange, green and purple. Great job, kids. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon.